Hello Sarah. Vicky not my name. Vicky is my dog name. So this is first time I came to Muar.
It's not what, it's Muar.
Muar.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I belanja you eat. Can makan?
What? Makan.
Makan, eat.
I really love the Muar food. Here the name is the Tubarmak. Yeah.
Murtabak.
Murtabak.
Yes.
Murtabak Malay land.
No, it's murtabak tanah Melayu.
I
Bengok.
convert that to the English.
We speak Malay. Don't be so bloody fool.
I can speak Malay sikit-sikit. I eat, you pay.
Okay.
Let's go. Oh my God.
Okay, Alex.
Oh. This is Murtabak Ori.
Yes, it's murtabak ori.
Ori Zainal.
Yes, original. And
Oh,
this
yeah.
is cheese.
Cheese. And mi bendeng.
Yes, mi Bandung.
Oh,
Mi Bandung.
mi Bandung.
And here we have food soup.
Food soup.
Soup kaki dah.
Also kaki. English we call it cheese lele.
Oh, you know the lele word.
My ex-girlfriend is makan lele. Oh my God, this is kurang hajar. Oh my God. Udah gigit. Help. I like football. Okay, thank you Sarah. I'm full right now.
I you love the tree.
So we can jumpa again. Are you belanja-belanja again?
Tak nak, aku dah lah penipu. Macam Mak Salih muka Jawa.
Sarah, oi. Belanjalah.